Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am coming to you live from the Mid Hudson River Fest. Okay, first I must say I went to take some lovely shots from the bridge and the river, so this is it. I'm showing you now before proceeding to the venue where the rides and other activities taking place. So take a look. Look at this beautiful water. Look how it is calm, so peaceful. Look at it, beautiful. And guys, can you see the train over there? Just passing by.
This train is so long, guys. Look at the train. The train is so long. And it's on the Hudson Valley area. I'll Poughkeepsie. There. So long. Never-ending train. All the way.
There were beautiful rides and enjoyable activities for the children, for the entire family. Yes, these rides, first I'm seeing some of them, but look at it, very beautiful. Yes, the children were having fun. Yes, I especially love this one, that's a crazy dance. Yes, I think that was beautiful. Yeah. Our hen up body part going on right here. You could get your henna on right there. What would be a fest without food? So you have the food truck, you can get a hot dog, whatever it is you need, right on spots. So guys, this is the excited part of it, fashion show. This all designed and done by Joyce JPS Fashion. She's all the way out of St. Thomas, Jamaica. Little girl growing up well, get her dream and her education in Panama and came to the United States and come here and deliver. So all these pieces were done by her. I was also approached fresh out of Jamaica to model of an outfit, but because of my shyness I decided not to. But maybe next time I'll try it out. But check out these models. The pieces were very, very good.
This is the one that you find on the side that you want to say, darling, it is too much. You better let them know how to shimmy. You better let them know what the shimmy is, girl. Come and make it a family affair. Nice. Go ahead and grab your cherub. And we're going to let them walk and make it a family affair. That's what Riverfest is about. That's what Poughkeepsie is about. Bringing people together and making sure that the family can have fun together. Amen. Can I get an amen on it one time? Amen. Yes. And walk. And walk. And walk. And walk. And stop. Stay right there. Pose for me, darling. Pose. Yes. And let them know. Oh, with the sunglasses, she put them down. She ain't messing around. And walk, right? Good, good, good. And stop. Okay, turn. Excuse us. Excuse me. I didn't know she was about to fall out. I got that golden lioness, that golden queen, that Nefertiti, that one, that only gold and black striped pantsuit. Darling, you can wear this almost anywhere. If you want to come to the meeting, and let them know that you're the one that's supposed to be the boss, you wear something like this. And you better show out, girl. You better step on them, girl. That's what we're talking about, and you just follow me. Good. In her, I just finished kindergarten. And pose, darling. Yes. Just finished pre-K dress. I just graduated. I like milk and cookies. And I know I deserve them. I know all of my colors. I'm wearing gold, not red. You better kill a girl. Yes, with the little toes. Good. Amazing. Come on, follow me, guys. Come on, walk for me. Nice. We have red pre-K graduation dress. Killing everything in the game. Looking elegant. Hit him with the pose. And hit him. And hit it. Amen. You better give it up for this queen wearing the orange overshirt with the puffs at the must. She's the queen with the double trouble, y'all. Double trouble. Come and rush it. Now, a lot of these programs say that you have to buy tutus and things like that. Now you know, if you want to step it up a notch, you come right on over to JPS Design and get your girl a tutu. Get her this unitard, sparkling like the stars in the sky, because they are, yes, looking elegant. These are the kinds of outfits that you wear when you want to show out, when you want to make a statement. This is the dress that you need. Same kind of look, but a pantsuit. Like we said, we have something for everyone. You don't want to wear a dress today? We have a pantsuit for you. Let them know. Golden, one leg gold, one leg flat. Yes, gorgeous. You can wear this again, like pantsuits. We have the pantsuit for you. Whatever you would like, Miss Joy at JPS designs can make it happen. You give her a needle, you give her some thread, and she will knock them in. JPS Designs. Give it up for the girls, y'all, in the gold and the black. Luxurious. If you guys want to make a statement once again with your culture, we have different kinds of prints and fabric available. Your VIP section, this is the kind of outfit that's elegant, classy, well-spoken. These are the kinds of outfits, shirts with the black and white, stop right there. And the yellow making a very striking statement. You can actually wear this anywhere, front. This is something casual. This is something that can be dressed up to be very elegant. Again, they got airflow. This is something that you wear when you want to be comfortable, but you want to be fabulous. This is something that you wear to the lawn party, to the garden party, to one of these kinds of events where you want to come out and let them know that you blend. Beautiful, beautiful, elegant. Once again, y'all want to give it up for this young model. She came out to the garden party ready in her emerald and green. I love the ruffled shoulders. I love the short cut and the high waist of the shorts, which have a zipper, by the way, in his print. Yes. And we're teaching them as they go. This is a learning experience for everyone. It is green and lime green neon shirt. Everybody supposed to know. Stand right there, take your pose off. Right there, pose right there. This man right here knows he's styling. They call it real. They call it style. They call it drip. They call it swagger. The man knows. The man knows that he is the best. He don't need a man. You're gonna make sure you understand who's the one, who's the baddest, who's the one, he's the one. Why don't you turn around and let them see what's on the back of your jacket? Turn around, darling. Turn around, darling. Let them see what's on the back of that jacket. Look at that. Look at that. Full flex design on the back. Now, give it to them. Because they look too fresh, too clean. Too fresh, too clean. Too fresh, too clean. Hit them up. Right there.
So guys, these were just few of what she showcased today, but you can check out our boutique in New York. She has her store there. She has lots of ideas. You can come and get your outfit done for your party, your weddings, whatever. Name it, she will produce it. Alright? So guys, while they're enjoying the fashion show, it started raining, so we could not move. So guess what? Party was going on, so we just sit back and enjoy some music. Alright? Just look at the rain on the river. Look at it, guys. It rains so heavily. Look at it. Rain did not enter, my sister and I would do the cha-cha-cha dance on the river. It was a beautiful evening. We enjoy every moment of it. So stay tuned on my next adventure. You don't want to miss it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.